And two local groups are teaming up to help these victims. Today, New Life Missions and Transport Ministries came together to send a truck full of supplies. And more, of course, will be on the way. Paul Dudley reports from Independence.
Inside of a warehouse in Independence, volunteers are busy preparing supplies to send to the Mid-South.
People hurt. I mean, you know, we go through it here, so we know. New
Life Missions is a relief organization. They collect donations all year round so they can be ready to give when disaster strikes. When the devastating tornadoes hit over the weekend, the team got working.
A lot of people need to be taken care of, and, you know, as long as we can send stuff, we'll be there for them.
While New Life Missions collects and stores the supplies, another nonprofit called Transport Ministries trucks everything to the disaster zone. The group bought this semi last year and got a trailer donated so they could bring necessities to Hurricane Laura victims. They did the same for Ida, and now they are helping again. On Monday, an entire truckload left for Kentucky.
Blankets, tarps, bleach, cleaning supplies, flooring, whatever they need.
The group says they're going to keep sending trucks as long as they have the donations, but they need your help, especially with things like bottled water, diapers, wipes, and toiletries.
We do take donations. We don't make no money off of this. The money that we do receive is the maintenance on the truck, the fuel, and the insurance.
As the Mid-South looks to recover, two groups are coming together to heal with every haul.
So we just feel like it's the right thing to do to help them out.
Paul Dudley, Eyewitness News.
And you can drop off donations at two different locations, 26012 Highway 42, that's in Holden, or 123 South Pine Street in Independence.